Hello, good afternoon, sir. This is my summary report on automation and integration process in shipbuilding production. The introduction: maritime area has been and will keep on being vital significance for Europe because of the idea of its economy, history, and convention. Shipbuilding is a key marine industry which has contributed fundamentally to Europe's maritime past and which is vital for its um, should be maritime future. It is likewise an extensive wellspring of work. By and by, in the worldwide market economy of today, EU shipbuilding and other related enterprises, so as to remain serious, are confronted with pressing requirement for significant changes. The explanation of the current situation with the workmanship inspect is an assess of the age of the creation methods utilized in shipbuilding, all the more especially connected with their mechanization and their coordination, taking into account the serious and practical European shipbuilding. This report is to distinguish advances where development is probably going to progress effectively, making European shipyards or any shipyards increasingly serious to recognize exercises and activities that are undeniably customized to improve R&D and the first inquired, and furthermore to distinguish division from what technology transfer can profit shipbuilding activities that would assist with building up the cooperative energies required. It covers subjects like computer-aided design, engineering, and more, which is provided inside the report. So I will explain the production processes that are major interest for automation and integration, and also the automation and integration technologies employed in each process. First up, I have the plate cutting, which has been one of the first processes to be automated in shipbuilding. It also includes cutting systems and mechanized milling solutions and manufacturing. There is also outfitting of 3D blocks, along with painting and coating activities, and finally the coordination and measurement techniques applied at the shipyards. Now I will talk about the laser technologies and merits and limitations. The enormous fascination of laser innovation to the assembling business extraordinarily where slender plate items are widely utilized. This is because of the constrained warmth testimony scattering during both laser cutting and welding. Warm affidavit causes warm bending, which is significant wellspring of reworking at low quality. Laser manufacturers, gas suppliers, and still have developed new products to make laser more competitive and improve the limits of the current equipments. However, the main issues are manufacturing accuracy, precise delivery of the CO2 beam, as it implies either the precise positioning of the pieces to be welded or the precise positioning of the whole CO2 laser equipment, avoidance or compensation of the thermal distortions during the laser welding processes, reliable operation, avoidance of expensive offline collaborations. Next up, the constraints and fundamental concerns. Is the heavy industry has made little profit from such technologies in what concerns the field of heavy robotics and handling applications. This forbids the amortization of the expense for the presentation of advancements, for example, expressed previously, which is the factor to consider. Most overwhelming is the mechanical autonomy dealing with establishment in shipbuilding and other overwhelming businesses which are custom made. In conclusion, the first part of the steel processes is already quite well automated. like the 3D block and grand block assembly, as well as the dockside erection, are very difficult to automate and robotize. The driving force for new solution in this 3D block and grand block assembly, as well as the dockside operation, will be needed to elevate workers from tedious, unhealthy, dangerous jobs rather than the need to increase efficiency. At the short medium term, these solutions are likely to focus on intelligent mechanization or robotized assistance techniques.